classy. Bougie, ratchet, classy. Why ask me? Hello everyone, Callie Storm Doll here, and today I'm here with Gabriella from series 3 of Rainbow High. Now before we get into her review, I want to show you the side of her box. This is something I hadn't seen before. Now I don't know if it's new, but it's the first time I've seen it. On the side of the packaging, it has her name, Gabriella. It says Fashion Technology Focus. So on the side, it's showing us what some of these girls, what their main focus is. And yes, she's already on her packaging because I could not wait. These dolls currently retail for $27.88, I believe. That's what the price was at Walmart. Now going into this doll, she's so beautiful. Let's look over her accessories. So we get this really cool stand, which is like this icy blue color. She comes with her Rainbow High hanger and her Rainbow High pants hanger. She comes with a comb, and she comes with the secondary outfits, which we are going to put on her, but I just wanted you guys to see something in box since I already opened her up. So this is her secondary outfit, and then we have her secondary shoes, which look so cute, and we're also going to put those on her as well. But now let's look over at Gabriella, and she looks so pretty. So looking her over, this is her face up, and you can see she has the soft blue feature, she has the shimmer in her skin, the pale pink lip. No earrings for this one, but she does have ear holes. She has these beautiful hair clips at the top, and her hair is very soft. It does feature like blue and white. Those are like the main colors I see, and you can see in the back they painted her head like this blue and white color. Her top is this sweater, which is so cute. It's like shimmery. It has sparkles all over it. It's very, very beautiful. I don't think she has anything underneath. No, I think it's just the sweater, and it does Velcro on the back. Her belt, which is a standout piece, says rainbow and all these shimmery colors. It's so cute. Her dress is supposed to be like a faux leather piece, and I think, yes, the belt is separate from the skirt, which is cool. Her nails are painted, and she does come with these really cool snakeskin boots. Very adorable. Overall, she is so cute, and they do have that new tilt feature, so you can tilt her head from side to side. They don't have all the features, like all the points of articulation as the Jet Dawson doll, but they did come with that, which is so adorable, and I think she is so cute. So without wasting any more time, we're gonna try Miss Gabriella in her second outfit, and we're coming right back. All right, we are back, and we have Gabriella in her second look, and this look is very fun. I call this her after hours look. This is after they finish up in school and they go out and party. So she has a rainbow choker, and this choker, it wasn't really tricky to get on, but you know, I actually fastened mine in the front. She comes with this very detailed jacket, which is snake skin. It's like blue ice. Snake skin. It has the lace up sleeves on the arms, ribbons. It has the belt going around. It has a really nice collar in the back, like very detailed, even down to the ribbons being tied at the end. Very detailed. This is the actual belt that you can actually fasten on the sides and everything, and on her buckle it says rainbow, and all over her skirt it says rainbow, rainbow. This is really a really form-fitting piece. So if you guys are looking for something that's going to be form-fitting for the girls, this is definitely it. And these shoes, ooh, these shoes are good. At first I thought these were glass on the back of it, but I think it's plastic, but it's just meant to replicate a glass heel. It looks so good. Now the decision is, do I like this second look more than her first look? Now that is kind of tricky, because I really like her first look a lot. Like, I really think it's cute and everything like that. But if I really had to decide, I might say I like some pieces of this one too, because I really like the choker. I love this jacket and everything like that. Gabriella originally wasn't going to be one of the top ones that I get, because I felt like we already had a blue doll with Skylar. So I was like, do I really want to get her? But she's awesome. The hair is really nice quality. She comes out of packaging with these cute ringlets and everything like that. I'm loving her eyeshadow with the green detailing at the bottom. It's just really, really cute, guys. Do I think she's worth this $27 price point? Absolutely. She's definitely worth it, and you guys should get her. She's definitely beautiful. If your favorite color is blue, or if you're a fan of ice, you're gonna love Gabriella. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe, leave me a comment below, and let me know what you're thinking about Gabby over here, because in my eyes, this girl is a prize. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye! Gabby, who should we review next? I know that's right, girl. Stay away.